let's dive into an Ayurvedic secret for getting that strong, soft, and seriously radiant hair. Looking to bring back your hair's natural shine and softness? Ayurveda might be your answer. It's all about special blends featuring powerhouses like Bhringraj and Amla. These are ancient secrets. So, what's the magic here? It really comes down to 4 amazing, all-natural ingredients. Here they are: Bhringraj, Amla pulp, pure milk, and sesame oil. A total dream team for hair. Okay, so what makes this combo so good for your hair and scalp? Let's break it down. First up, Bhringraj. It's known as the king of hair herbs, strengthening hair from the roots. Then you've got sesame oil and milk. They walk in moisture, which means less frizz for you. And Amla, it's packed with antioxidants. This is what gives you that silky, weightless shine. Together, they soothe your scalp. And a happy scalp is absolutely key for healthy hair growth, right? The best part? Making this a part of your routine is super simple. Here's how. It's just 3 easy steps. Massage it in, let it sit, and then wash it out. Simple. Now, consistency is everything. If you can do this twice a week, you'll see great results. And don't worry about your hair type. Since it's all natural, it works great for everyone. So what's the payoff? Hair that's not just stronger, but also super soft and radiant. So, are you ready to treat your hair the Ayurvedic way? It can be a real game changer.